Hello children, good morning everyone. Today you are going to learn a new lesson, that is your first lesson. The lesson name is A Daughter's Love. A Daughter's Love, which is written by William Shakespeare. So before we start, we shall see the characters of this lesson. So shall we start? See, he is a King Lear. He is a king of England. His name is King Lear. He has three daughters. How many daughters? Three daughters. Let us see their names. See, Goneril and Regan are his two eldest daughters. See, Goneril and Regan, they both are two eldest daughters of whom? King Lear. Cordelia, she is the youngest daughter of King Lear. And the one more character is King of France. He is a King of France. These are the characters of A Daughter's Love. Let us see the lesson now. The story is all about a daughter's love towards his father. It is all about a kindness, misunderstanding between the daughter and the father. So let us start the story. As you have seen the characters, shall we start the story now? See, many years ago there was a king. Who was a king? He was a king, King Lear. He was a king. He was a king in England. He was becoming old, and he was very generous man. Generous, like he used to help the people, needy people. He used to give more than expected. See, if you need something, for example, if you need some pencil, if I give you two instead of one, it is like I am very generous. Instead of giving one pencil, I am giving you more than one pencil. That means I am very generous. I am giving you more than you expect. That is called as generous. He was a generous king, and he has ruled over his kingdom for many years. He was ruling his kingdom for many years. After he was becoming old. So what he thought, he was becoming old, and it was time to pass his kingdom to his three daughters. I told no, three daughters, Goneril, Regan and Cordelia. Three daughters. He wanted to divide his kingdom into his three daughters. So what did he do? He gathered all his three daughters. He called up three daughters and asked one question. What was the question? He asked the question that how much you love me. Then the two eldest daughters, who are those, Goneril and Regan, what they said? Sir, you are my dearer to me than my eyesight or life. No child has ever loved her father more than I love you. She says that, Goneril, you are very dearer to me. You are than my eyesight or life. She loves her father more than anyone. She says that. Then comes Regan. What she says? I am the happiest when I am able to serve you. When these both have expressed their love towards her father, then comes the youngest daughter, Cordelia. Then he asks Cordelia, now it's your turn, Cordelia, express your love for me, he says, his father. Then what does Cordelia says? Cordelia says, he says that if you want your share, then express your love to me, he says. Then the Cordelia expresses the love for his father. What she says? I love you as I should, neither more nor less. Then the King Lear, he got he was very disappointed and he got angry. He said that you better mend that speech, Cordelia, or you may lose your fortune. Fortune means he is saying you better mind the words what you have said, or else you will lose your fortune means your shares. Then then the Cordelia says, "My lord, you are my father. You have cared for me, fed me, and loved me. Thus I obey you. I love you and greatly honor you." She says that she says that you are my father. You have cared for me. Everyone's father care for their daughters, right? In the same way, she says that you cared for me, you fed me, you love me. I will obey you. I will respect you. She says like that. Then what happens? Then King Lear found it hard to believe that Cordelia had really only felt a sense of duty towards his father. Now this King Lear, he was very surprised that this Cordelia only thinks that it is her duty to look after his father. He says that uh, is this the truth? Then you will get nothing from me. He says that this is the if this is the truth, then you will, he is saying, I will not give you any shares, and you are no more my daughter. I will not give any share to you. Instead, her share of her shares, he is taking that her share, and he is dividing that share to Goneril and Regan. And he says that I disown you. Disown you means refuse to maintain connection with. Like he is not keeping any connection with her daughter now. He is not giving connect. He is not keeping any connection with the Cordelia now. He says that you are not my daughter from now onwards. You leave this kingdom and you go from here. I will share your I will share your part of kingdom to whom? To Goneril and Regan. Then she started crying. See, she is crying and she was moving from the kingdom there. Then there was a king of France. I told no one more character, king of France. He was present in the court and he saw Cordelia. He felt that she is simple and honest, and what he thought, he wished to marry her, and even Cordelia agreed, and they left for France. They both went to France now. And Cordelia, she was very worried about her father. She is saying that I hope my sisters take care good of my old father. I am really worried about his health. She says that she is very much worried about her father's health. I hope my two sisters take care of my father, and they both leave for France. Next, what happens is King Lear, what he decided? He decided to stay with the eldest daughter. You know, no, two eldest daughters. One is Goneril and Regan. Then he decided to go and stay with the eldest daughter, Goneril. Then after staying with them, he came to know that Goneril was not really she was not she was really not in love with his father. She was only in love with his kingdom, his whatever the share of his kingdom. She was only in love with that. She was not taking care of his father. So that is known by now King Lear. He came to know that now that Goneril is she don't love her father, but she only want the shares of his father. That he came to know now, King Lear. Then soon King Lear, he realized that second daughter also, who is the second daughter? Regan. Regan also, she was also same like Goneril. Even she used to disrespect her father. She used to not respect her father, and she used to treat very cruel to her father. And he came to know now these both daughters were lied him. They both lied to their father. Now he came to know that they both were only in love with the shares of his kingdom. They don't love his father, and they don't love him now. Then what happened? He's saying that I would go and beg in on the streets instead of disrespecting by my daughters. He is saying that I will go and beg on the street, but I will not bear this disrespect by my daughters. Oh Cordelia, oh I miss Cordelia today. Now he is missing the Cordelia now. Let us see now. Meanwhile, what happens? Even this Cordelia was also worried about her father's health. You know, no, she went to France. She was very much worried about her father. So even he was missing her, and even she was worried about his father. Then England and France, they were both at a war now. As she was a queen of France, she cannot enter England. Why? Because she is a queen of France. So what she decided, she could not enter England, no. So she decided to attack England and rescue her father. She started to attack the England, and she thought to attack England, and she wanted to save her father. Then what happened? However, the French army is defeated by the English, and she is imprisoned. Imprisoned means she is put in the jail now. Cordelia is surprised to meet her father there. Her father was in jail and she was imprisoned. Imprisoned means jail. She met her father in the jail now. Then he was in the jail. When he saw this Cordelia, he says that don't laugh at me, young lady. Perhaps I have been foolish, but you look like my daughter Cordelia. He says that you don't laugh at me, young lady. He realized that he was being fooled by his two daughters, eldest daughters, Goneril and Regan. But he thinks that you look like my daughter Cordelia. Then Goneril, Cordelia and Lear are overjoyed to meet after 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 such a long time. It's obvious that they did not meet for so many long years. Yes or no? Because after getting married, she went to France, and they both were very far from each other. They were very happy to meet each other after so long time. Then yeah, yes, she says that, yes, father, hugging her father, she says that, yes, father, I am your Cordelia. I have been looking all over for you. Finally, I found you. I have found you, father. I will never let you go. She says that now she was looking for her father everywhere, and she finally got her father, and she will never let him go now. Then her father realized his mistake, and he says that please forgive me, my child, for I am old and foolish. I have caused you lot of pain. He says that he came to know his mistake, no. So he is saying sorry to her daughter, and he is saying that I have caused you much pain, and I was being fooled by my two eldest daughters. He says that. This is all about the story. This is first lesson, a daughter's love. So children, in the end, what you have learned, that Goneril and Regan, they both were dishonest with his father, and they both were only wanted the shares of his kingdom, right? But this Cordelia, she was honest from the beginning, right? Then the King Lear, he understood his mistake in the end, and he apologized for her daughter Cordelia. He says sorry to her daughter. So student, what is the most important in this lesson? That is Honesty is very important. You have to be honest. Honesty is very important in our life, right? Whatever may be the situation, you must be always be honest. Okay, so always be honest with your parents, your friends, your teachers, your elders, with everyone. In whatever may be the situation, you must always be honest. Okay, children, this is all about the lesson. I hope you understood. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts, then you can call me and you can ask me. Okay, thank you.